Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences using of have to. So let's start. First, early. I have to wake up early in the morning. Second, clean. I have to clean my house. 3. Go. I have to go to school. Fourth, study. I have to study for my exam. Fifth, make. I have to make breakfast. Sixth, go. I have to go to doctor. Seventh, careful. You have to be careful. Eighth, play. I have to play football. Ninth, ask. I have to ask something. 10th, say. I have to say something. Thanks for watching.